As researchers, scholars, or even postgraduate researchers and students, when we use different aspects of research projects or research studies to assess different issues, we have to know that there are different aspects and types of data analysis. We have different data analysis aspects based on the nature of the data. We have different aspects of data analysis based on the number of variables. And also we have different aspects and types of data analysis based on the requirements of tools. Actually, at first, based on the nature of data, when we collect data and talk about our data and want to analyze our data, we have two kinds of data based on the nature of data, which are qualitative and quantitative, or quantitative and qualitative. When we design our research project, we decide based on the requirements of our research goal, research problem, research questions to collect data, either qualitative or quantitative. That's why when we collect data based on the requirements of our research project, qualitative or quantitative data, that's why based on the nature of our data, there are two kinds of data analysis, which are quantitative data analysis and qualitative data analysis. Quantitative data analysis deals with numbers, numeric data analysis procedure, and also very clear with the exact incomes because it deals with numbers. When we test hypotheses, when we do some particular studies in very scientific areas, we use quantitative structure and quantitative data analysis. And also qualitative data analysis mostly deals with non-numeric data and with qualitative themes and categories of data. And also we have different types of data analysis and data structure based on the numbers of variables. We have univariate data analysis, which includes just one variable. We have bivariate, which includes two variables. And the first one, univariate, mostly we use some very basic descriptive analysis to find mood, median, some basic information. But there is bivariate analysis. We use some particular tests to find out the relationship or differences, like the using of correlation test or t-test. And also we have multivariate tests in data structure with more than two variables. In that case, we use ANOVA, or we use MANOVA or MANCOVA, and different analysis to analyze the data to find the probable differences, and even we use correlation and regression tests to use the meaningful relationships between the data. And also we have data structure based on the data demand and study demand, and also data tools. We have descriptive test. Actually, descriptive test deals with the assessment of basic aspects of the test or the data that deals with samples and not with population, all population, and provides basic and clear information or aspects of data analysis, like mean, median, mood, standard deviation, and such kinds of information, which are available through descriptive tests. When we use descriptive tests, we do not talk, or we do not conclude based on the data about the population. Just we do and deal with sample or the participants of our study. And the second type, which is a very deep and very broadened type of data analysis, is inferential. It's mean that when we use the inferential data analysis procedure, we talk about the group or entire population based on the data collection procedure results from our sample. And we use broader and deeper the styles of data analysis, like some correlation and regression analysis to know the relationship between different variables, and also t-test for two variables, or ANOVA or some MANOVA test for more than two variables, to know the differences between the variables in different aspects of the data. And also we have some different aspects of data based on their usage when we try to assess the data based on the sample structure, or even when we use the data from sample to conclude some things or some particular aspects based on the entire population. We have different aspects, and also we have parametric and non-parametric styles of data, and also analysis. When we talk about parametric, it means that it deals with whole population with a particular number, or a particular word, or a particular data structure, which helps researchers to deal with population from result from a particular sample. But non-parametric, based on non-parametric structure, we cannot do such kind of conclusions. And also we have different kinds of analysis for parametric and non-parametric data sets. When we have parametric data, we can use different aspects of analysis, like t-test, ANOVA, correlation, and also for non-parametric we can use chi-square, u-test, t-test, and some other tests. But the main important to know different aspects and different styles of data analysis is to know the real usage of such, the real structure of such kind of data, and also the use of real tests for such kinds of data. Because if we do not know the real aspect in aspect and structure of our data, in data collection procedure, in the main structure of our study, we may use wrong test. And when we use wrong test, actually we come with wrong outcome and result, and we conclude based on a wrong result, and we misguide other people who use the results of our studies in their daily activities. But when we know the exact structure and type of our data, and we know the exact and right test and assessment and analysis procedure for our data, we come with right and helpful results. And the results, of course, would be helpful for us to conclude clearly, and also would be helpful for the readers of our work, and also for the people who use the results of our study in their daily actions and reactions. That's why we have to consider different types and aspects of data analysis based on the nature of data, which are quantitative and qualitative, based on the number of variables, which are univariate, bivariate, and multivariate, and also based on the tools that's in the demands of our study, such as descriptive, inferential, and also based on the assessment of based on the nature of the data related to the assessment of issues related to population and sample, such as parametric and non-parametric. And through the understanding of such different aspects of data analysis, we have to apply the right data analysis tools and issues and data analysis procedures to come with exact and helpful results. I am Dr. Abdul Qahar Sarwari. If you think such issues are helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.